Raymore police are asking for your help in the death of a local teen at a slumber party last week.
It's a story we first broke last night. Belton High School freshman Bailey Wages died of an apparent drug overdose. It happened at a friend's house in Raymore, March 22nd. We're now learning that while her death last week was reported to be an accident, police tell us the investigation is far from over. They're waiting for toxicology reports to determine exactly what Wages overdosed on at that sleepover with her girlfriends. If illegal substances are involved, charges could follow. Police are still conducting interviews and looking into where the drugs came from.
And the teen's death is a shock to friends and loved ones, and it's a wake-up call to the community. And Kelly, you spoke with a woman who's on a mission.
That's right. This is, of course, such a tragic reminder of the dangers of using drugs. And we have pieced together some events leading up to that deadly overdose, learning from other girls at that party the horror of that night as they tried to save their friend. Now, I just talked to a woman on a mission to prevent more tragedies like this.
As Bailey Wages' classmates at Belton High try to cope with the loss of their friend, the organization First Call is behind a Belton coalition working to prevent substance abuse among our young people. I talked to First Call's president and CEO, who says there's too much denial about drug use in our high schools.
This is so hugely tragic. It is a jolt. But it's really happening all the time. There is a significant sense of denial, individual denial and family denial and community denial that these things happen and that kids are actually using and that they're dangerous.
O'Neill is on a mission to get more education about the dangers of drugs into schools. She doesn't think preaching to kids or scaring them solves anything. She says open dialogue with parents is key and teaching coping skills so children don't try to numb their feelings with drugs or alcohol.
Ask the kids. You know, the kids aren't stupid. Kids know what's going on. They have a great sense of how to communicate with one another. So let's ask them for their input on that. Let's get them involved, and that's a really important piece for prevention.
Now, O'Neill tells me she often hears parents say things like, kids will be kids, or I did those things when I was young too. She believes that sends the wrong message, perhaps even a dangerous message, that we set the tone.
Good information, good advice.
Thanks, Kelly.